Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best FasaPay Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. FasaPay is an e-payment solution for retail forex traders, which does not require a huge amount of capital, giving it a competitive edge. FasaPay enables instant online deposits and withdrawals to its clients alongside speed and safety. Apart from the standard password protection, FasaPay secures a customer's account with a 6-digit master code, a PIN setting, a transaction PIN, and API security. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best FasaPay Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best FasaPay Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is the brand name of HF Markets Ltd, and in addition to providing world-class trading solutions, is strictly regulated, with a great emphasis placed on ensuring the safety and security of clients' funds in the best ways possible. Regulated and authorized with the FCA, the CySEC, the DFSA, and the FSCA, Hot Forex specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, HFCOPY, and swap-free accounts, with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, a large number of simultaneous open orders, 24 hours, 6 days a week customer support, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, beginner courses, tutorials in platform functionality, a featured trading podcast, as well as a number of live webinars, which you can sign up to for a more personal educational experience with Hot Forex. At number 4 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online fully regulated financial broker. Was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations, with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts, with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. Coming in at number 3, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker, was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. At number 2 on our list is Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with Avatrade. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best FasaPay Forex brokers, we have Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Xinity Limited, is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECM, and Pro accounts, with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. And those are some of the top 5 best FasaPay Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.